You know what? I remember what today is. It's Father's Day. So, for all you fathers out there, happy Father's Day. What to do? What to do with the day? What shall we do? Oh well, another day it is. How's it going, folks? Just a quick little install. Today I'm going to be installing the prop nut eliminator. Prop nut eliminator, I think is what it's called. This guy right here. This beautiful thing right here. Take a look. Basically, it's a piece of aluminum that's tapered. It's got holes in it. I don't know if the camera's picking it up. It's got some holes in it right there to allow water to go through for cooling. So it's basically acting like a huge heat sink for your trolling motor to dissipate the heat from the motor. So that's what it looks like. Let me show you where it goes. So basically remove this stainless steel nut right here, replace it with this. See, it's threaded like so. So all you can do is like just get it on there, super tight, super tight. So it's gonna help cool the motor by dissipating the heat. The heat would transfer through this shaft right, and well, since it can continue, the aluminum block acting as a heat, just like your complete sink, same principle. And balance the motor have vibration. So two-part effect. Oh gosh. So let's get this on there. All right, let me show you what it looks like. Let's spin this thing up and see how much vibration we have. Let's spin this thing up. Let's go as fast as possible. We're at 10, full power. And it's pretty smooth if you look at it. It doesn't really vibrate too much. So let me stop that. But I actually think it has more vibration at lower speeds. Got a little vibration going on, not too much. All right, this takes a 14mm nut. Just go undo this. You're gonna have to hold this and break it free. Oh my goodness, I thought I was gonna need two hands, but I don't. Nice. There we go. It's coming along. This is a new technique where you just pet the prop, your trolling motor. Like that? All right. Now, that was actually too easy. That hardly happens. Anyway, let's get this off there. All right, here we go. Now, let's get this out of there. We don't need the washer. Don't need the washer. All right, let's put that up. Now, let's get this washer out of there. There you go. Put that washer down. You stay right there. All right. Let's see this if this fits. I hope it fits. Otherwise, the thread count The thread looks good. All right, let's see if this fits. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that looks good. Looking good. Just put my leg in the way. How about that? Oh. Real tight with your hand. Good. Oh, look at that. Transforms of it. All right. Make sure it's tight. Last time. Yeah. Okay. All right, now for the final test. Let's turn this puppy on. Okay. Sounds better. Speed it up. Yeah. I like it. That's 10. That's all the way. Let me slow her down. I like it. I like it a lot. That is nice. That looks really sharp. Yeah, I like it. That's pretty slick. All right, just a real quick one. That's it. Super easy install. That took what, like 3 minutes? Anyway, looks awesome. It looks like it should function very well as a heat sink. Just, it's gonna help dissipate the heat from the motor. Because with all electronics, heat is the enemy. That's it for this one. Thanks for watching, and until the next one, bye.
Make sure to subscribe our video.
Do what? And do what?
Make sure to subscribe our video.
Okay. Yeah, what she said. Make sure to subscribe to the videos to see more cool things and stuff I do outdoors. All right, bye. By the way, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.